Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 6A and B. This is your teacher Habiba, and in this video we are going to start our new chapter number 9. Its name is Drawing Tools in Flash CS3, and today's topics are from page number 133 to 137. We will discuss this much material in our today's video. Let's start. In the end of the last chapter we were discussing about the different selection tools, and in this chapter we are going to discuss about the new things in this chapter. So the new things in this chapter is a drawing tool. The drawing tools are different to add, these are used to add different animations, and for animations we must have some graphics on our flash document, right? So graphics can be a picture, an image, a shape, or some line on our flash document that can be drawn using these tools. If we want to write something, that can be the text. If we want to draw some shapes, geometrical shapes, that is line or circle, square, or even polygons, we can draw on our flash document using these drawing tools, right? So in our book 2 to 3 types of drawing tools are discussed. The first one is the line tool, which is used to draw a straight line on the stage. That line can be of different textures, which we will see on our flash screen practically. Okay, the next thing is to draw primitive rectangles and oval tools. How can we draw normal this shape leads us to draw rectangle tool, oval tool, and then primitive rectangle tool and primitive oval tool, along with the polystar or polygonal shapes. So let's see in the graphics in the flash screen, that how can we use these commands or options to draw different objects on our stage. First thing which we are going to do is the line tool. Line tool is explained on page number 134. I select the line tool, then I will go to the properties window to adjust its properties. Its color is as it is the line, as the line is the stroke. Okay, only the stroke will be shown, stroke color. I can change the stroke color, right? This can be our stroke color. The width I can change here from 1 pixel to more, 9 pixel, 8 pixel. 8 is enough, I think. Then solid, the texture of the line can be dashed, dotted, curvy, wavy, broken, or dotted like this, right? I have broken line. Done. Now I will draw a line. Now I will click on the starting point and take my mouse pointer to the area where I want to put the ending of the line. Okay, I can use the dashed line also. Here it is, line, this color, size is this, and draw. So this is my line, dashed. Okay, if I make it the wavy line, so what it will be here, this is my wavy line. Change the color of the stroke, blue. This is the broken line. Yeah. Okay, dotted. So these are the patterns of the line. Or dashed. Dashed can be with some other color which is visible. Dashed line. Okay, so these are the different patterns of the lines, which I can change the width also, 30 pixels, and here it is more wide and more clear. So these are the lines. Now we will go to the rectangle shape. I select the rectangle shape and there are more options behind it. Rectangle shape के पीछे और भी options हैं. We have to either click rectangle tool, oval tool, then rectangle primitive tool, oval primitive tool. These 4 tools we will discuss in today's videos. In for simple rectangle tool, but I will use the stroke color. Stroke color can be some dark, and the fill color. Fill color can be some light color, which is already selected. Then the width of the line, 10 is enough, and pattern of the line, stroke, solid or dotted. Now, okay, so this is a square. I can draw a square and a rectangle with this. Got it? For drawing a circle, what I will do, go to the option. Now I can change the colors. You can use the purple color, and inside color can be other this, और line का pattern भी हम change कर सकते हैं. Now I can draw. This is circle, this is ellipse, this is somewhat ellipse ही है, oval तो है नहीं हमारे पास. ठीक है, it's ellipse को हम oval कह रहे हैं. Got it? प्रॉपर सर्कल भी हम बनाना चाहिए. ब्रोकन लाइन की वजह से ऐसा आ रहा है. प्रॉपर सर्कल ऐसे बन जाएगा ये. डन. ओके, so these are the proper circles which we have drawn. The next thing is primitive oval and primitive rectangle. In primitive shapes, what we can do, we have another option to draw the rectangle or square or oval, and we can later on change the color of the shape of the rectangle. So these are the angles of this rectangle. If I move this here, this thing, so the angle will be changing, right? I can change the angle and the sides with my measurements and with my hair according to my needs. If I draw a rectangle, what will I do? A square, sorry, select oval, primitive oval, line, straight line, and this is my circle. So these are also the angles. There are some angles which I can change. This angle and this angle I can change. See, I just have to move my mouse to change the angle. This was the outer angle which I am using. Okay, I can show the pizza eaten or to be eaten, right? Here, finish. The next thing which I can do, इसको होना तो चाहिए कुछ. Here, right? Now I can show you the inner angle also, this inner radius. Okay, so these things are explained in our book on page number 136 and 137 in front of us, right? Here, this thing is shown, right? I have made a C with a circle. Got it? So these things are to be mentioned very clearly, that in primitive drawing of shapes we can change the angles after drawing. Okay, maybe we can change the colors or strokes also. Maybe, I see, yes, we can change the colors also, but in simple rectangle or simple oval we cannot change the color later on. Once it is drawn, so I cannot change the color. Okay, if I want to change the color, it will not be changed, never. In this thing I can change the color. So these things were to be mentioned in this video. I hope you understood and got the point. Kindly read your topic twice to understand this more carefully. Thanks for watching and paying attention. Allah Hafiz.